Welcome to the Bob and Tam Show. Ba-ding! You got your glasses on.
I know, it's pretty bright.
So today, what are we doing? We're going out on some rides. We're going to go out and check out Needles Highway. I'm going to show you how to go to see the presidents. And then we're going to do Iron Mountain Road. And so we're going to go see what we can see at those two rides. And we'll kind of show you the entrance there of Custer's. Not going to do it today because it's supposed to be 106 freaking degrees. So let's show you on the map where you can pick these maps up anyway. Let's show you on the map which way we're going to be going from here from Sturgis. We're actually going to go out the back way here that they always tell you. It's the new way to avoid Sturgis altogether. So we're going to be going down there. So we're going to go out of the Buffalo Chip here. We're going to make a left onto the gravel road. You guys can check out what the gravel road looks like. Don't ride on it if it gets wet, rainy or wet.
Slick. And
that'll bring us out over there by Sidekicks. We're going to make a left onto the 90, and then we'll see what exit we're going to get off on.
So thanks for coming along today. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and ring that bell, and think about Patreon.
Here's the handy dandy maps that they give away. You can pick these maps up anywhere. Actually, we have two of them. We'll talk about that later, about the two that they have out here that we found. So we're going to start right here in Sturgis. So we're going to go in Sturgis. We're going to go out the back way here. We're going to get on the 90. We're going to zip on down the 90. And then we're going to get off.
Down the 90 to the 79 in the Custer's Park and take Iron Mountain Road up that way.
Yep. So right here, we're at 16A, which if you can see behind us, the sign is Iron Mountain Road. This is the way you want to go if you want to see the president's heads. If you go the other way, you're not going to see them through the tunnel. So let's go see what else we can find on Iron Mountain Road. If you'd have to be driving a vehicle, the width is only 10 foot 9 inches tall, and your height is 10 feet 9 inches. We're not going to be seeing any winter conditions this way, but you're going to see some windy roads for the next 9 miles. We're gonna take a quick stop here. Actually, we're gonna do a little breakfast real quick, split a meal, and we're gonna go inside and see if we can get somebody here to talk. Last year we got the brand new owner. He was just getting ready to buy this fine establishment, and they bought it now, and it looks pretty neat inside. So let's go inside, take a look around, and let them do a shout out for us.
Let's go.
So if you stop by here, let them know that Bob and Tams sent you here.
My name is Amanda Brooks, and we are at Spokane Creek Cabins and Campground.
And what do we're between, what is it, about 6 miles going towards Custer, and we got 12 miles going the other way?
That is about right.
Okay, and this is about the only stop we've got, isn't it?
Yes, it is your one-stop shop for Iron Mountain Road.
And we got all the great t-shirts.
We are just about t-shirt poor here, yes. We have all kinds of Iron Mountain merchandise and an amazing Iron Mountain Road coffee shop as well.
All right, and you serving lunch?
We are. We have wonderful pizza, we have a full menu, and a great staff.
And you also got gas.
We do. We have diesel, we have premium, and just about everything you need, including cold beer. Just welcome all of the Sturgis rally riders out to Spokane Creek. Come and get your Iron Mountain merchandise, and we'll see you soon.
So we made it through the first tunnel. If you kind of could see the president's heads there, that's not the good one. The good one's coming up. They actually, they'll have a sign out front telling you the name of that tunnel. We'll be coming up to that tune. So the road's starting to get a little twisty. Of course, you see a few cars out here that won't pull over. So expect that. A few cars there coming around. They were riding the yellow line. So when you're coming around those turns, you know, try to hug the outside versus the inside. A lot of those cars don't know how to drive on these turns.
No, they're not busy driving. They're not paying attention to where they're riding on the road.
Yeah. So today, here's the route that we took. We took the road that was right next to the Buffalo Chip, which we zeroed out there, and we went down about 7 miles. You make a right-hand turn, and that takes you right to the 90. That was about 7.5 miles from that point. All the way down, we took the 90 all the way down through Rapid City till we got to the Truckers 1679 highway bypass. So we took that, got on the 79, and we took that down till we got down to Highway 36, made a right-hand turn there, and that took us all the way to Custer State Park, right to their gate, where you pay. Right before that, to the right, is Iron Mountain Road. So there we took that ride there, went all the way up to Keystone. There we made a left onto the 244, which took us to the 385, made a left there, which is like a half a block, and there we get back on the 87, and we took the 87 all the way down to the Eye of the Needle. We went through that, and then we turned around and we came back, because we wanted to do a few other rides, get them in today. So when we got back up to the 385, we just hung a right there, went back through Hill City, and that was a pretty long ride, but I mean, it's pretty twisty there. We did have a deer run in front of us that we did see, so actually, you know, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, there was a deer out. So we took the 385 all the way up to Nemo Road. Right there, we make a right-hand turn on the Nemo, and we go all the way down till we get to Von Knocker Road. There, it's also, we make a left-hand turn on there. If you would go straight, it would take you into Nemo. If you look for the signs that tell you the canyon, that you can go down the caves, that's a kind of a good way. Von Knocker Road's a great ride, especially going from this way. It's all downhill, twisty, windy. Actually didn't have very many cars in front of us, and that took us all the way back into Sturgis. So today was all about rides. Went on a whole bunch of them today. We got a whole lot more we're gonna try to catch up with before the rally. But I mean, these were probably two of the best rides around here, is Iron Mountain and Needles Highway. So we got those checked out. We got over there on Von Knocker Road. We got 385. We got, what else?
Nemo Road.
Yep, Nemo Road. A whole bunch of really great rides there, and you can check them out and see which ones you want to add to your list. Tell us if you've had some that we didn't list yet that we ought to check out.
That we should go on.
Yeah. So we still got Spearfish to do, and we got a whole bunch of the one that chases the train over there. We're gonna check that one out.
Hill City and Keystone.
There's a whole lot of great rides out here. There's never a bad ride.
You can't go wrong.
That's right. So we're gonna go ahead and leave you right here in downtown Sturgis, and it's getting close.
Lots of tents, and they've already got all the trash cans out. There's probably a dozen on every corner.
I'd say about 100 out here.
There's a lot. So thanks for coming along today. Hope you enjoyed the ride. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Share us with your family and friends. Think about Patreon. Give us a big thumbs up. Ring that bell for notifications. And we'll see you on the next video.
And we're going to turn around and let you see the temperature on the sign and the time.
It was hot today.
And but the good thing was up in the Black Hills was a little bit cooler. Not by much, but a little bit. So take a look at the sign here, and we'll leave you with that.